Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on ULEFONE Power Armor 18. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here, then another speaker is on top of your screen right there, and I guess that's all of them. Yep. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music and cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If not, that means this device doesn't have it. Now let's try it out. And clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.